Hey guys, what's going on? Welcome to the video. So today we got it. We got no news. The stimulus did not go through. President Trump disapproved it. I'm just going to be telling you guys in this video what I'm doing and what I expect moving forward in this market. So without further ado, let's get into it. So at 2:48 p.m. Eastern Time, Trump sent out a tweet pretty much saying that Pelosi is asking for too much in the stimulus package, and Trump denies this, and he's saying that they're not going to get it done. He denies it up until after the election. So we're not going to get a stimulus package until after the election. President Trump, it's pretty much President Trump call whether we get it or not. Right now it looks like we're not going to get it before the election. So this changes many things. So first of all, the market started tanking. It went from being green today all the way to being down almost 2% at close. Now after hours it's tanking as well because we get increasingly bad news about virus cases in the White House. So I hope you had your tweet alerts on like I was talking about yesterday. As soon as I saw that Donald Trump tweet, I started loading up on put options. I got in 100 put options for an October 9th expiry. As soon as I saw the tweet, I got into the 100 puts. Now I sold 50 puts right at close just to secure some profits, even though I do expect the market to keep on tanking moving forward later into this week. Now the reason I did this was just because that position was such a large size from our portfolio. I was up about 50% on those puts, so I wanted to make sure and secure those gains, but I'm still writing out the other half of my put options. So like I was saying yesterday, my plan for this market was either going to short the market heavy if we did not get the stimulus package, which is what happened today, and I ended up shorting it heavy, or I was going to go very long on the market, buy a ton of big stocks if we did get the stimulus package. So we did not get it. I shorted the market. I got out of a bunch of options and a bunch of other positions as well, because I do believe that the market was starting to price in that we were getting the stimulus package, as that's where everybody's leaning towards, that where it was looking. But now that we did not get it, I think this is going to be a shock to a lot of investors and traders. There's going to be a lot of selling, as we saw with the big dip that happened today, and I expect this to be moving forward. A big reason for this is that we have a 3-day weekend coming up. The last 3-day weekend we saw a huge sell-off that Friday because we know that a lot of people do not want to be holding big, long positions in a very up and down market going into a 3-day weekend. People just want that peace of mind and selling beforehand before the 3-day weekend happens. So the 3-day weekend could involve some more selling pressure. We could see the market tanking this week. I do believe that it should have dropped a little bit more today than it did when we first got this news. So I could expect this market to be down 1 to 2% within the next day or so. If the market does tank again tomorrow, I'll probably be taking the rest of profits on my put option just because I hate holding put options for a long time. I like to just secure my profits, especially when betting against the market, because we know that the market does go up over time. Any news can come out. We got to play out all the scenarios. What if Trump came out a couple of days from now and said that they're working on a stimulus package again? They're going to reach an agreement. Now, anything can happen. That's what we got to realize. If Trump realizes that it may hurt his presidency, he may lean towards stimulus as well. So it's not a done deal that we're not getting stimulus before the election. But as of right now, that is how it's looking. So I'm short on the market. I got out of a lot of positions today, and I'm very heavy in cash because the market's just going to be very rocky and volatile coming up. So we got to be very careful in this market and stay cash heavy. Now, in my opinion, this may hurt Donald Trump's odds for the election a tiny bit. Now, this may help the renewable energy stocks that Joe Biden plays leading into the election. So I'll take a look at solar energy, electric vehicles, wind energy, EV charging. Those are some of the plays that I'm watching. Also, with all this new virus news, I'm looking into a lot of virus stocks. There's going to be a bunch of virus runners as we've been seeing lately. So yeah, right now, I'm looking to short the market in the short term. I'm looking to get into the hot sector, which is probably going to be the renewable energy plays, get into those and sell right before the election because I do see a big run up as people look like they're expecting Biden to win. Now, personally, I have no idea where the election is going, but as the odds go, you just got to follow the odds and play the stocks that go to that. So as of right now, Joe Biden is looking like the favorite. Now, it doesn't matter what you think. It just matters what the overall market thinks. So as things lead Biden's way, which is what I'm guessing, those are the stocks that I'll be playing. The renewable energy stocks. Mainly, my favorite play in this is Next Era Energy, ticker symbol NEE. They also have a stock split coming up on October 27th. I'm very bullish. This is going to be my big position moving forward, and I'll be looking to make this big position, and I'll be looking to increase my position in that stock heavily tomorrow and throughout the rest of the week. So my guess would happen short term. The market is looking very bearish. I would expect a solid size drop from now and Friday. We got the 3-day weekend coming up. After that, though, I think the market's going to even out again. I think there's going to be a lot of bulls coming in. There could be a lot of good news coming out. There's just a lot of things that could come up. Now, there is a lot of potential negative catalysts involving the virus and everything, but I do believe that the market will bounce back in a week or so, and that's when you go long, but still be very cash heavy, playing the election plays. Now, what I'm personally doing is minimizing risky positions, staying within the hot sector, and loading up on my high conviction trades, which right now my favorite trade is going to be an NEE. I also plan to make a video soon on all my election plays, so the plays that will benefit off Trump winning and the plays that will benefit off Biden winning, as I've talked about that a little bit, but I will be talking about that more in a future video. So I just want to make this quick, give you guys an update of what I'm doing and what I think the market's going to do moving forward. Be aware of that 3-day weekend. Don't get overly bearish in the midterm and don't get overly bullish in the midterm either. Just keep cash on hand. This market could go either way and you just got to play it safe. And don't be overly risky in such an up and down market. It's very dangerous out there. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you want to get 2 free stocks on Webull, that link is down below. If you want to join my private stock group as an educational platform, ask me any questions that you need. That link is down below as well. If you want to get $5 free in Ackman investing, $10 free on Coinbase, those links are down below as well. I would greatly appreciate it. Those are affiliate links, so it does help support the channel. Please like the video, I'd greatly appreciate it. Please subscribe if you haven't already. And yeah, leave me a comment below what you think is going to happen next. If you have any other predictions, if you think I'm totally wrong on this, just let me know down below. I'll be trying to respond to as many comments as possible. Anyways, thanks guys for watching. Be safe in this market, trade safe, and let's get rich.